Kung naghahanap ka ng masarap, malinis at comfortable na resto dito sa San Fernando, Pampanga, check out Boados Cafe in Sindalan, San Fernando, Pampanga. Open sila from Monday to Sunday, 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. The restaurant maintains a clean and well-presented environment, kaya perfect ito sa mga small gatherings or simpleng salo-salo with your family and friends. Marami rin silang available na masasarap na pagkain sa kanilang menu. No meal at Boados Cafe will be complete without something their appetizers. To start off my meal, I indulge in their fresh spring rolls na may masarap na peanut sauce. Na-try din natin ang kanilang aglio olio shrimp pasta. The roast beef was cooked to perfection at isa to sa nagustuhan ko sa kanilang menu. Kailangan mo ring matry ang kanilang chicken and cheese maki na sobrang nagustuhan ko rin. And the parmesan baked salmon na super sarap at sobrang patok din sa aming panlasa. At kung naghahanap ka ng unlimited meat platter, for only $649, matitikman mo na ang unlimited baby back ribs, Salisbury steak, Hungarian sausage, unlimited flavored chicken wings, at may kasama ding masasarap na mga side dishes. So if you're looking for a culinary haven in Sindalan, Pampanga, Boados Cafe is a must-visit destination. Enjoy mga senyora, mga tana!